Simple gas station call turns into pure chaos. Who's Midwest safety? It's Midwest safety, okay?
I don't give a f. Get on the ground. I'm the neighbor. Do you want to get tased, yes or no? I'm the neighbor. Get on the ground now. On the ground. One at taser point.
The neighborhood.
On the ground, all the way. On the
hold
ground.
on. All this is happening at the same time.
Get on the ground. On the ground now. Get the f on the ground now. I'm not playing with you.
He said
on
no.
On the ground now. Get the f on the ground, or I'm gonna tase you now.
Bro, no contact whatsoever. I love it. I have no idea what's happening.
I don't give a f. Get on the ground. I'm the neighbor. Do you want to get tased, yes or no? I'm the neighbor. Get on the ground now.
The neighbor?
On the ground. One at taser point. Got him at taser. On the ground.
Is it gonna work? He's thick.
On the ground. On the ground now.
On the ground. What's on the ground?
Lay on the ground.
Oh.
Get your entire body
He's
on the ground
drunk.
now.
Retired body. Retired body.
Get on the.
I'm retired. I'm a neighbor.
Get on the ground now.
Oh man, he's
Get on the ground.
mad.
I'm on the ground.
All the way, motherfucker. Stop being
I'm all
stupid.
the way on the ground.
Just on the ground.
I'm all the way on the ground.
Oh, did he just? Ooh,
Move. Get away. Get
just
away.
tasteful, brother.
Get your shit.
You. I'm on the
Oh yeah, he did.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Get
Get on
him.
the ground. On the ground. All the way on the ground. Get
Ooh.
on the ground. Give me your hands.
Oh, he jumped on him, bro.
Give me your hands now. Your taser's gonna deploy. I'm gonna tase you now. Get out your hands now.
He,
Hey, taser. On the ground.
a little sloppy, guys.
Come on, motherfucker.
Then relax and give me your hands.
I'm relaxed.
Give me your fucking hands. Taser.
Oh. Oh, it's not working at all.
Hey, you're gonna get shot. You're gonna get shot. Stop.
Oh, are they gonna shoot him?
Stay on the ground. Stay on the fucking ground. Stay on the fucking ground now.
I
Keep
mean,
your
he
hands
should.
behind your back. I will tase you again. Do not move.
No, bitch.
Hey. Is he in custody?
We good? You got him?
Yeah, A4, we got him in custody. Can you roll me?
Good. Little sloppy, guys.
Stop.
He launched over that counter, dude.
Sheriff's department.
Stupid ass. Give me David Wolf.
Stay down.
David Wolf? What is this, a movie, bro?
Our sergeant's en route. You can talk to our sergeant.
Dude, he must think this is a movie.
We're about to stand up.
They're gonna stand you
Who's
up.
David Wolf?
I can't even straighten up. I can't. I'm electrified.
Oh, yep. It got him. It took a minute, but it got him. He can't even walk.
Hey, you guys choked me with this shit. My neck
Hold
is
on,
faggot
relax.
asshole.
Relax.
Ass niggas.
Relax, I'm trying to take it off.
You and the rest of you assholes that broke ass glass from your
Oh
friends out
man, I
there.
wonder what his day was like.
When I got here, just so you know.
He was so drunk.
I got two prongs right here. I got two prongs, yeah. That's both of them. I got the other cartridge. I don't know where Jackson's hit.
You just hit me. You just hit me 3 times. You were attempting to hit me in my head.
No, nobody hit you.
Yes.
Dude, I didn't know they wound that up and reused it. I thought they just shot that and it was gone. I didn't think you could wind it back.
You just hit me 3 times.
Everything's on our body cameras right now.
And you hit me in 2, motherfucker.
I didn't hit you. I didn't touch you.
Sad-ass blow, bitch. This guy threatened to shoot me 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, because you tried to fight me, dude.
I'm on
That's
a
why.
fucking scooter, you
Yeah.
ass. I'm on
Oh.
a scooter.
Oh.
Sad-ass asshole. Let me know you, motherfucker.
What a terrible dude.
What's your name? Andrew.
These assholes f*** me up. All right.
Bro, just put him in the car. What are we doing? What is this special treatment?
Me up.
Throw him in the car.
Yeah, you better.
Thanks.
What an asshole.
He was about to run on Jack. Get Jackson on his back.
You motherfucker! Andrew, come on.
Trying to get some.
Head in the door, you asshole! You motherfucker! I'll kick your ass.
Yeah,
I'll
put it in the
kick
car.
your ass.
There it
Hit my
is.
head right into the door in front of
Dude, I don't know why they always go there.
I got you.
Humans are so interesting,
Go
man.
ahead and have a seat. Watch your
Some of them are so interesting. A lot of them not so much.
Yeah.
But
Did you actually deploy your cartridge or did you dry stun them?
Yeah, I dry stun. I took this off and I dry stun. 3 times at least.
I got him twice. I hit him twice with the. Yeah.
He kept grabbing it. That's why I backed up because he kept trying to grab it.
how is this video
But as soon as I
this
backed
long?
this, I was just shooting him. Because I thought he was going to hurt the clerk.
Yeah. He's got a huge smell of alcohol in his breath.
Yeah.
I was just about to ask, what the f*** is he on? Was it just you two like fighting the guy or what?
Oh, what is?
Was in the doorway. They were all saying that he was in the doorway already. He was on the ground on his hands and knees like this. I'm like, get on your hands, get on the ground, get on the ground. He's like, I'm on the f***ing ground. He jumped on top of him, went to dry stun him. He got him down on the ground. He f***ing jumped up again with the turn. I hit him with the taser.
Everyone's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
He got up with the prongs in him, jumped over the f***ing counter.
That guy's not listening to you at all. That guy's not
The
listening
incident
to you.
report indicates that officers were initially called to respond to a fight and that Andrew had broken windows of a BMW. This explains why the officers met him with such intensity to ensure the safety of the surrounding public, especially the store clerk who we saw Andrew lunge at over the
Okay.
counter. Andrew was charged with resisting obstructing. He is
That's
innocent
it? Nothing
until
for the
proven
window?
guilty in a court of law.
What happened in the
Is it
store?
legal to break someone's window?
Happens what I asked. I buy a couple hours ago this.
Okay.
This not working. He don't wanna change. Lie, you stupid return. He
Okay.
don't wanna. I will call to police. Call to police.
Okay. Did you break his cash register? Did you break the cash register?
No, of course.
Are you sure?
Or you wanna check my wallet?
Yeah. Don't put your
Okay,
hands in
no
your pockets,
problem.
okay? So, I don't know what happened right now. So, right now,
Investigate.
you're being detained. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands
Is
behind
this
your
gonna
back.
work?
Drop your lighter. Drop your lighter.
Quickly.
Hey, don't. No, don't.
You are very swift with that, brother.
Do not move.
Why you do this? Why you do
mean-
this again?
He was gonna panic anyway, right? He was probably gonna jump anyway. But I mean, I feel like you gotta approach it with a little more intensity than that. It didn't even seem like he was trying to get it on there quick. Like he didn't even have them ready. He got his hands together to reach back. I don't get that. What is the plan there?
Huh?
Do not move.
Okay, again you move me inside. Guys, incorrect.
I mean, because you know what's up now. You're telling him, okay, I'm gonna put your hands behind your back. So get the cuffs out. Get the cuffs out, bro. What are we doing?
Do not resist. You are under arrest. Do not resist.
Why? What happens? What I am doing wrong?
Put your hand behind your back. You're
Aren't they supposed to call for like backup at this
gonna
point?
get hurt. Put your hand behind your back.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Well, that was pretty good.
What happens?
Maybe he had him out already.
Yep.
Maybe I'm
Can
wrong.
you hold on to this arm for me? Whatever you need, buddy. You let me know what you need. I'm just gonna tighten these up. They're not tight enough. Do not move. He's gonna take that cuff off and we're gonna reposition your arm. When he takes it off, if you pull away, it's gonna work out really horribly, okay?
Oh, okay. That was not done right at all then. Okay, I wasn't wrong.
There is somebody who can support me. Guys, know what you're doing.
Stand up.
Man, it's a good thing he noticed that. He could have just left him, not even seen that and just threw him in the car. And he would have had a messed up because he's so drunk. He wouldn't even know. Like, he can't take care of himself right now.
In your pockets.
What I have.
He's got his 2 little vape pen things here. Yeah, take those with.
Guys, I just really ask him why he always provide no.
What did he do, though? Did he smash it?
Cool. You turned something really stupid into something really stupider.
No, maybe I'm really stupid.
He's
What
not
you
going to
doing?
know what you're
You're going to
saying,
jail
bro.
now.
Again? For what? For what I will go to jail?
Yeah.
Again I will go from...
Stop it.
Step by step, okay? Right.
They normally do
I told
that.
you why. And then you decided
Why?
you didn't want to.
Why? Because I'm asking, return me my money.
I mean, I guess you can, you know? You don't want him messing with anything in the back. So you just
So you know there's
throw it in
camera
there with
recording
him.
inside the car?
An officer gets the store owner's side of the story.
Yeah, what
You the one
happened?
that called?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. When you finish this transaction with this gentleman, maybe we can talk.
Okay,
Beer and
Facebook
ice
still
cream.
works.
I like your style.
How's it going? You too, man.
No shirt. Just
Are
chilling.
you working by yourself?
Is that cool? They don't kick you out?
So my name is Officer Andrade, by the way. We have him in custody.
Yeah, he already left.
No, we have him in custody.
Really?
Yeah. Why don't you tell me what happened?
He bought this pen.
Okay, he bought that. Okay.
Yeah, maybe 2 hours.
Bro, from here? You bought it from here? From this guy? Come on, man. There's so many other good places that sell better stuff. I mean, this looks like you don't even know what you're getting, dude. Like, just out of anything. You get anything back there, that's a problem. That's not good. This is not the place to get that.
Something else. He come here, this not work, you have to change it. He drunk. His attitude, everything is rough. You have receipt? No. I have no receipt. He is angry. He's angry. I am not leaving from here. Then I call the police. 911, then he left.
Why didn't you give him a
And then he
receipt?
left. Did he break anything, take anything?
No.
Okay, so basically he was impeding you conduct your normal business because of his disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
Would you like to press charges for the
the
disorderly
Bro,
conduct?
come on. I mean, you're setting that up a little bit. I mean, we're just putting it on trespassing now. And initially it was, oh, he broke the register. Like, he didn't even do anything. He just wanted a receipt. He's drunk as hell. I mean, he probably didn't go about it right. Like, let's not think he just was asking for a receipt and didn't get it. Right. He obviously got, like, aggressive.
That's trespassing.
Did you ask him to leave?
Yeah, I tell him you have to leave.
And he didn't leave?
No, he didn't leave.
Okay.
That guy knows
So-
his
He
own body
always
cam
like
in
that.
the back.
He always drunk 24 hours.
Okay, you want him trespass for the future.
future.
But I'm saying
That's not gonna
for
do
causing the
anything.
disruption, do you want to
it's
press
okay.
charges?
It's okay, no, sir.
You don't want to press charges?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes, yes.
Okay, what about
Just
for...
trespassing.
What
That
about
is a
for,
charge,
do
bro.
you want him to press charges for trespassing? When you tell somebody leave and they don't leave, then they're trespassing.
Yeah.
So do you want to press charges for that?
It's not
So
going
you're
to do
saying
anything.
you don't want to press charges for anything? You just don't want him ever to come back?
Ever to come back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have your ID, please?
Yeah.
Got here.
Heard the call, obviously. Heard you go out with him.
Yep. Made him sit down. He was telling me about his vape, that he bought it a couple hours ago. It wasn't working. Had an argument with the store owner.
I wonder if we're going to get to the point where you don't have to, like, the language barrier is just not going to be a problem anymore. Because that clearly, I don't even know what he left with. Like, are we just assuming he's going to press charges and he just told you he didn't? Like, what did you get from that? That wasn't the
I
end.
told him that he was going to be detained in handcuffs. He put his hands behind his back like I asked him to. I went to put one cuff on, pulled both of his hands away, started grabbing at my left hand with his right. So I pushed him, I kept control of his left hand, pushed him face down into the concrete. From a seated position though? Yes, correct. Oh, no, that's not a takedown. Still charge him with the resisting for it, but no, that's not gonna... Okay.
The officer returns to the suspect to speak with him about his arrest and his trespass.
So that's some problem.
So you understand, do you understand why you're going to jail right now? No. Okay. So when I told you that I'm gonna detain you in handcuffs,
I will go to jail.
Listen.
I listen.
I went to put the handcuffs on and you pulled your hands away from me.
I mean, come on, you did tell him he was going to go to jail. Like, you didn't even really know what was going on yet, and he's not, there's no charges that he wants to press on this guy. So he's not actually going to jail. So, like, what the heck? This is weird. This
And
one's
then you were
really weird.
grabbing at my arm. Can't do that.
Okay.
Okay?
I am not touch you.
You're... Okay.
Yeah, you already
I am
did
not
that.
touch you. That's it.
You're
you
lucky.
know this.
You're lucky I didn't knee you in the...
Oh, okay, so the resisting alone is going to get him in jail for not, like, after the fact, not doing anything? So, I feel like that's a little weird. I mean, dude's just super drunk, honestly. But that's not an excuse. Like, he should not be out in public.
face. I did that as a favor.
Of what I am doing, I just coming to this store.
Yep.
And now I
So-
kill. What I am doing with you? Kill you or touch you?
No, just touch. You tried to
I
get
will
away.
touch you.
You tried to get away. Anyway, so you can't come back to this store ever. If you come back to this store, you will be arrested anywhere on the property. Okay? If you come back on this property, you will go to jail. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good.
This suspect was charged with resisting. He is innocent until proven guilty in a
Bro,
court.
that kind of sucks though. Like he's like, I don't know, man. I don't know if that the other guy, screw that dude. You know, he was like he seemed like a not good person. Like he was very aggressive. He was like cussing at the officers, slurring at the officers and everything. But this guy was just like scared and drunk, you know? And when you're drunk and scared, bad combo. Like you're not going to do the right actions. But I mean, at this point you took him to jail because you tried to arrest him when he wasn't actually under arrest. Like you said it after the fact. You were supposed to detain him. Like, no, you're just being detained right now. You're not under arrest. But you said he was going to jail. Like, dude, I just feel like that was bad cop work. I'm sorry. Like, I'm not a cop hater or nothing, but that specific one, bad cop work. I think it was altogether a good video, though. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I'm just yapping, so I could be wrong. Tell me how wrong I am. That's fine. I enjoy that. Anyway, the next one's going to be the pros and cons of living in a Las Vegas extended stay motel.